Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to create a profile cover image for Pinterest. So if you're new to Pinterest, follow along with me. So I'm on my Pinterest account here. So you've got two ways of doing this. You can just upload a photo that is related to your niche, or you can create your own cover profile photo. So I'll show you both ways. So the first one, make sure you've got a photo downloaded on your laptop. Then you're going to click on the plus icon, click on browse, and then I'm going to click on the photo, click open, and you can see I've got the photo there, and I'm going to click on done. So that's pretty good, but I'm just going to show you a way to create something a bit different as well. So I use Canva. There's a free version, so it's really cheap to use. You don't need the paid version. So I've had a look up what the dimensions of an ideal Pinterest profile cover image is, and it says 1920 by 1080 pixels. So you're going to click on create a new design. From there, you're going to type in the dimensions, 1920 by 1080, and click on Create New Design. And from there, you can create your own profile picture from scratch, or you can write in here, Pinterest profile cover. There'll be lots of templates you can use. So you can design something completely your own. You can use one of the templates and just add in your own details. So something like this, if you're a beauty vlogger, you can have something like here, put your own picture in your own name and details about your own business. So Canva is brilliant for stuff like this. There's so many different designs here. If you don't like that one, just click on undo and click on designs again and try out different ones and see what you think. So that's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.